that bird. He sees it in the tree. That's why I don't want to leave the door open.
Mm-hmm.
We'll jump up over that fence and go get it.
Oh, I know. He's like, now how this thing opens. You know, it's got to slide. It's like, I can't walk away. I just can't walk away.
I gotta get it. I gotta get it.
What? Get that birdie? Is that birdie out there taunting you?
Push it all down.
Huh?
Bird's still out there, but there it goes.
I guess he knows how the door opens. Because he can open the screen.
Can I turn this back on?
Uh,